How to find blocked peoples on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find blocked peoples on Facebook mobile. First thing I'm gonna do is go to Facebook and now click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy and then click settings and here just look for this one blocking, click on it and here you can find your blocked peoples. And if you want to add any other people, just click here and add his name. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe. And thank you for watching. And that's it. See you in the next video.